This year, I'm very excited to be a part of this conference, and I'm really looking forward to meet researchers from all of the different fields of health research to expand my network of collaborators, and I'm really looking forward to learn a lot of things from this workshop.
The Rehman College of Dentistry, RMI, are going to be organizing ICHR, and these are essential skills which everybody from undergraduates, postgraduates, or even consultants like myself need to have in this day and age. So I wish them the best of luck in organizing this and hope to see you all there, inshallah.
This year, RMI is hosting an international research conference. They hosted a similar one last year as well, but unfortunately I was unable to go. But I did see a few classmates of mine that went, and they had a wonderful time. They gave excellent feedback, and as someone who's aspiring to go into research myself, I really want to attend this year as well. And I think that you, as students studying in research or as researchers yourself, if you want to learn something new or if you want to expand on your research knowledge, I think you should definitely visit as well.